All right, so we're showing how to download a Grant Cardone video from Wistia. This is Grant Cardone. We're in Grant Cardone University, and we're looking at this Selling is a Prerequisite for Life video. So once you're at the video, step one is to get into Chrome Developer Tools. We're in Google Chrome. And we're looking for the Network tab. I happen to be already on there. If you're not already on there, and if it looks a bit more like this, you can see there's a drop down right here. It'll get you to the Network tab. You're going to need a bit more room than you've got here, so you can zoom this out so that it fits. Anyway, once we are in the Network tab, I'm going to reload the page so that we can see the different network requests that have gone across. And what we're going to look for is the string M3U8, which is the file type of the playlist that we're looking for. So if you don't see the search panel, which you probably won't, you can hit Control F in order to get to it. Anyway, we're looking for M3U8. And when I look at this, I see three search results, right? So the top three are JavaScript files. You can tell by the .js extension. We're looking for a JSON file, in this case, .json, right? That's going to be our playlist. I'm gonna look underneath the name of the playlist. You can see all the junk that comes up here. I'm going to double click on it, and that'll take me to the actual value here. Okay, and I'm going to click inside the response. I'm going to select all, copy, and then I'm going to go into the World Wide Web, the Googles, and I'm going to look for a JSON formatter. And I'll just pick the very first one I find. That's this one. I'll paste my JSON in. I'll click process. I'm just checking to make sure this video is still recording. And what I got now is a formatted version of that JSON that's going to tell me where the original video file is. You'll see that in this case the top asset is the original video. Might not be the top asset in the next one that we look at. So if it's not the top one, scroll down until you find it, right? It'll be under type. See, type original. So there are two things that we need here. One is the file extension. We'll use that when we save the file. And the other is the actual URL to the file. That's this. So I'm going to copy that. All right, now I'm going to go to VLC. VLC is an open source video player. If you don't already have it, just Google VLC and you'll find it right here. It's compatible with Windows and Mac, so just download it and install it. Once you have it installed, you can open it up. Let's delete this from the last time we tried it. You can open it up and under Media menu, go to Open Network Stream. Paste in the URL that you just copied, and then where it says play, hit the down button and go to convert. So once we've done that, we're going to check dump raw input. That'll have us saving the original file. And then we're going to pick a destination file. The destination file that we're going to pick is going to should have a name similar to the video that we're actually saving. So in this case, it's Selling is a Prerequisite for Life. I'm going to copy that name. And I'm going to call the file Selling is a Prerequisite for Life .mov. Remember that we found our file type here in the JSON .mov. This. On top of that, I'm also going to give the file a number. All right. So presumably in this module there are several videos. I want to see them in order. And they're not in alphabetical order, right? So I'm going to give this, let's just assume this is the first video in the sequence. We'll call it 01-Selling is a Prerequisite for Life.mov. Why 01? Because if there's more than 10, it'll sort correctly. So I'll save, and then I'll start. And if I go back to VLC, you can see it working here, and now you can see it's finished. Right, so that was very quick, a download. And now I'm going to be really careful around that pause button. If I go to my desktop there it is. Selling is a prerequisite for life. And I'm going to be very careful and not actually attempt to play that video, but there it is. All right, so that's it. Another suggestion is that you share a network, or share your folder structure from someplace, iCloud or what have you, and have them save those videos directly into that structure. And that's it. You should be able to download one of these things. I mean, when somebody's working full speed, they ought to be able to get through a video a minute or maybe every couple of minutes. So if you got 100 videos, it's 3-4 hours worth of work, and then you're done. Okay, that's all there is to it.